Okay, today we're just going to touch a little bit of theory. We'll get more into it later, but as far as today goes, we're going to learn our major and minor scales in A, since that's what we've been working on. We're just going to do the first part of it, starting on the low E string. So our minor scale is played like this. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you'll notice that the 8 is an octave of the 1, so it's the same note. It's an A, which is an A, which is an A. Now when you're practicing these scales, I want you to pay attention to two things. I want you to pay attention to the 1, the 4, and the 5, and also when we play these, let's alternate pick. So, our next scale is the major scale. We're just going to do the first part of it in A. This time we're going to start on our middle finger, still at the 5th fret, and it's played like this. When I grab a position like this, then I just use whichever finger is in that fret to play. So middle, pinky, pointy, middle, pinky, pointy, ring, pinky. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, when you play the scale, use your alternate picking. There's probably nothing as important as knowing what you're doing if you ever want to figure out any moves on your own. So it's important that we know our degrees of our scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in the minor. Now you notice the 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5, okay? Now let's play the major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The 1, 4, 5. They're the same in major or minor. So when anybody's ever talking about playing a 1, 4, 5 progression, it doesn't matter. This is going to be your pattern. And those are your roots. This is for instance, in A, your notes are A, D, and E. 1, 4, 5. Now what we're using, those are our roots. So you remember when we play, that's based at the 1 in A. Now if we move everything up one string to where 4 is, and everything will move up one string. Now we're going to be playing on the A and D string. Now if we move everything up to the 5, that'll be our root. Now I want to talk about 12-bar blues. This is the most common form of rock and roll music, and it's where we're going to get the most of our mileage here. So this is a standard progression. We'll do 4 measures at the 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3. Then 2 measures at the 4, 1, 2, then 2 more back at the 1. Now these last 4 measures, this is known as your turnaround. We'll do the most simple one today, which will go 5, 4, 1, and on 5. It's called 12-bar blues because we just played 12 measures. 4 at the 1, 2 at the 4, that makes it 6. 2 more at the 1, that's 8, plus 1 here is 9, 10, back to the 1, 11, finally at the 12, at the 5 for the 12. And then you just repeat ad nauseum. So now we'll play the whole progression with rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. From the top, start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I want you to keep in mind when we're playing this rhythm, once again, we're palm muting, just laying the fat of our hand on the strings. We're just playing a 1-5 chord. It's just 2 strings. So here, just these 2. And our pinky. So when we move up, then we're just going to be playing these 2 strings. This will be the A and the D. And at the E position, it'll be